All right, this story is called Unimportant Kick. It is a nonfiction story. It's a really interesting story about some very cool technology. So, just 3 paragraphs. Again, like I said, read it, reread it. You'll understand it better the second time. You'll catch things that you missed the first time. So make sure you're rereading to really get all those details. And then just 3 questions to answer. Don't worry about interacting with the text. What's listed at the bottom. You can just do what's in the yellow box. Why was Giuliano's kick so memorable? Underline sentences to support your answer. How was Giuliano able to make this kick? And why is this new technology so promising and important? Okay? As always, I'll say it again. Ask for help if you need it. Use the text-to-speech, even if it's just for a few words. Or ask me. I'm more than happy to explain words, explain what's happening if you are a little confused. Okay? You can do it. I believe in you, and just enjoy learning about this very cool technology.